Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can find and remove the mine filter in the Toshiba washer TW. So, in the first step you have to remove the cover. It's located on the right side on the front of your appliance, and as you can see there we have the filter. You have to turn it to the left side and remember to prepare before the vessel or something, because there is a risk of the water leakage. You have to just turn it to the left side. After that you can remove it with no any problem and clean the mine filter. Then put it back like before, turn to the right side and close the cover. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment and goodbye.